Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. How to make Windows 11 Lite ISO by bypassing the basic criteria of Windows 11 installation: 4 GB RAM, secure boot, TPM 2.0. This ISO file, being lightweight, will support any low hardware computer. With TPM 2.0, the problem faced during Windows 11 installation will be solved. Watch the video till the end without skipping. Let's start the video. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file. I will open the website that comes first. I will come down a little. Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select Download Multi-Edition ISO. Download. Product language, choose one. English, United States. Confirm. 64-bit download. It will take some time to download. All the download links will be given in the video description. The downloaded file for Windows 11 is 5.17 GB. First, right-click Rufus and run as administrator. Once opened, click on Select. Then select the ISO file and open it. Click Start. This will bypass the 4 GB RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0 requirements. This will remove the Microsoft account that is required after Windows is installed. It can create local account with any name. This will set the regional values of the system on which the bootable media is being created, such as time zone. This will skip the data collection phases that occur after Windows installation. OK. It will take some time to create bootable pen drive. Once the bootable is complete, I will copy all the contents of the pen drive and paste it in the Windows 11 folder. Then install the NTLite software. Double-click on Setup file. OK. I accept. Next. Install. Finish. The install.vim file is located inside the source folder. Open NTLite and go to Add option. Image file. Windows 11 source folder. Select install.vim file. Click Open. Right-click on Windows 11 Pro. Click Load option. It will take some time to mount. Click OK. Now I will uncheck the components that I don't want to keep. I will check the ones that I will keep. I will tick the ones that are needed in the drivers. I will untick those that do not need hardware support. You can configure it yourself. Remember here that the more tick marks the ISO file will be larger, and the more untick there will be, the more components will be removed and the ISO file will be lightweight and the computer system performance will be better. There is nothing to do in settings, service, extra service, updates, options. Unattended option should be enabled first by going to the top left. You can set the system language, time zone if you want. Then add local account with name. Click OK. Then go to Apply. Select Save the image and trim edition. It will also make the image file size much smaller. Tick mark on Remove Non-Essential Edition. This means other editions will be removed except for Windows 11 Pro Edition. Select Image Format High Compression Read Only ASD mode. Click on OK. Last option, Create ISO. Enter the drive where you want to save the file and save it with the name of the file. Enter the level name and click OK. Click on Proceed option. Click OK. It will take some time to prepare. How long it will take will depend on the hardware of the computer.
Once the process is complete, a new small size lightweight Windows 11 ISO file will be created. The Windows 11 main file was 5.17 GB and the new ISO file was 3.61 GB. Make this Windows 11 ISO file bootable on pen drive with Rufus or Ventoy and install it on any low hardware computer and use it without any problem.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button to get the latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, then comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.